Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use the global search feature to search for tickets, users, contact groups, and knowledge base articles in BoldDesk. I will also show you how to apply and clear filter in global and advanced search for tickets and KBs. The global search option enables agents to search for tickets, users, contact groups, and KB articles in a single search space across all the modules using keywords or values. Let's now see how to use global search in BoldDesk. First, sign in to your BoldDesk account in the Agent portal. Then, click the search option that is located at the top of each module's page. When the drop-down arrow is clicked, a list of the available search options will be shown. Based on the selected option, a search box will be displayed. First, let's see how to search for tickets. Select Tickets option from the drop-down. Search for a ticket using the ticket ID or any text in the Search tab. This will list tickets with details matching the text. Global search for tickets also provides options to filter based on brand, category, and status. To apply filter, click the filter icon and select single or multiple brands, categories, and status fields from the available drop-down list. You can also search tickets using the subject or messages. Then, click the Apply button to apply the filter for searching tickets. You will see a red dot displayed on the filter icon when the filter is applied. To clear the filter, click the Clear button on the Filter Settings dialog. Next, let me show you how to search for users. With Users search option, agents can search for both contacts and agents using their user ID or name. Alphabetic characters will be displayed as the display picture for contacts, while agents will have the brand logo and the characters as well. User searching option enables you to search specifically for an agent or a customer. You can search and locate agents when you use the @ symbol as a prefix to the username, but you can search for and locate customers when you use the prefix hashtag to the username. If no prefix is provided, both agents and customers will be searched for. Next, let's move on to global search for contact groups. By selecting the Contact Group search option, agents can search for contact groups using contact group ID or name. Lastly, let's see how to search for knowledge base articles. Using knowledge base search option, agents can search for KBs by typing an article ID or any search text in the Search tab. Global search for KBs also provides the option to filter articles search based on brand and category. Additionally, you can also search articles using titles, descriptions, or both. Now, let's move on to advanced search option. If the global search does not produce the desired result, you can click View All Results or press Enter to view a complete list of the data. You can also access the global search with paging by navigating to More Options and selecting Search. Here, agents can then search for tickets, users, contact groups, and knowledge bases. This advanced search option also allows filter search for KBs and tickets. You can search using a title, description, or both for KBs, and subject or message for tickets. You can clear the applied filter by clicking the Reset Filter button. Let me summarize. In this video, I explained how to use the global search feature to search for tickets, users, contact groups, and KBs, how to apply and clear filter in tickets, and knowledge base global and advanced search. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.